Hi everybody. The device and emerging bus standards we go for the communication serial devices of so the serial devices interface, that is SCA we go for. So in that the mainly we discuss about the introduction to serial buses and the UART, SPA and I2C. This whole thing we are going to discuss one by one. So mainly the serial peripheral interface we can discuss. So what is the use of serial peripheral interface and what is the capabilities, protocol and the pros and cons of the competitor and uses conclusion we can discuss one by one in this chapter of SPA. Mainly the serial buses, the protocol is used to transfer the information is very fast and very easy, and it is very useful and it is very simple one. So that is a very important parameter of SPA, and everyone support it. It will be very useful. It is commonly used in these devices, so we can implement very easy manner and a quick manner. It's the main advantage of SPA. And basic functions of SPA, mainly we can use the mainly use the communication protocol is a 4 wires we can use, and also we can use the 4 wires bus and also use the communicate across the small distance. So it will use very small distances, the main advantages. So it will occur very minimum distance. So it will able to use, and also we have used single or multiple slaves we can use. So we can use masters and slave like a hard disk methodologies we can use. So mainly the major thing we can use is a master and a slave methodologies. So one sometimes we may act as a slave and sometimes it may act like a master. So this is the main advantage of SPI basics, and also it will be a synchronized one. So synchronize in the sense it will automatically synchronize of each and every device. So it will be very useful for the transfer the information, the synchronization information. And mainly the capabilities of SPI is focused mainly always a full duplex mode. So full duplex mode in the sense it will be in sending and receiving information at a simultaneous manner. There is a full duplex manner, and it will communicate in the two directions. So what I said already, this will occupy sending the information at a two direction at the same time. That is a very important one. So like it's our mobile phone is a full duplex mode, so it will sending and receiving take place as a simultaneous manner. Transmission is not the main in the sense. That's the main is a full duplex complex, and also having the transferring data rate is Mbps per speed, and also the data transfer rate is data is 4 to 16 bit characters is possible, and multiple slaves also you can able to use. That is a daisy chaining is possible. So it's the main thing of the characteristics and the capabilities of serial phase interface communications. And mainly we have the masters and the slave is there. So once the master, that is a MOSI and MISO and clock and bar is having is a master. So how the communication is possible. So wires, that's a MOSI, that's a master out slave in, master in slave out, then system clock and slave clock, that is slave select, that is a slave select, which will be which one will select. So the main thing where we can use 4 wires mainly is for the communication purpose. That is the things that is MOSI, MISO and SCLK and N we can use. The main thing is to set the master or slave. We can use this one, and also it's having to generate the clock. It will main usage, and the shift registers also we can use. This is the main advantage of the devices. And mainly the wire that's MOSI and MISO have the master or slaves we can choose, and the S bar is that is a unique line of selective slave, and also the S clock, which the master is produce the clock synchronization of the data transfer. So it will be select the master data transfer rate, we can send the information. And next one is a master and the slave. So we can chase the information by using this master slave, by using the shifting the information 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can shift the information from 0 to 7. Likewise, we can transfer the information from one bit to another bit. And also this is the input parameter of master slaves. So we have this microcontroller as a master, the remaining thing will be a slave. So we can read the information. There's a clock D in and a clock input, and D out is also available. So this is a major parameter we can use in the SPI parameters. So mainly the clock phase main advantages is two phase, that is two phases of the two phases and two polarities of the clock, and also four modules and also four modes, and master slaves, master selector, there's all been in the same mode. The master must change the polarity of the phase. It's the main advantage of the clock pulse. This is a timing diagram of this SPI time. So sample points and a clock and my inputs are available to get the information. So all the SPI pros and cons. So it is the, what is the pros in the sense, it will be a fast and easy transfer, and fast the first point and the point to point connections, and also easy to allow the streaming constant, and no addressing, no sample data is needed. Everyone is supported. The constant is nothing means just make a multiple slaves is very complicated, and no acknowledgement disability, and also it is incoherent habitation, and no flow control is this. Is the main cons of this SPI. Main uses to serial to encoder, we can use this information to send the encoder to decoder converter we can use, and mainly the main use for the serial communication purpose. There are some summaries of the SPI we can use. Thank you.